Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix subscription not working in Claude AI 2026. If your Claude Pro subscription isn't working, this can be stressful, especially if you've already paid, and in 2026, subscription issues are usually related to billing sync, app store delays, or account login problems, so let's fix it. Now let's start. The first thing you did is you went to your profile icon and you clicked on the gear icon, then you clicked on upgrade here, and then you chose the plan. For example, you could choose the plan to build monthly or build annually. Then you click on get pro plan and proceed with the setup, and you pay for it, and the subscription is not working. Now, the first thing you want to do is to log out and log back in. This forces Claude to refresh your subscription. You can do that by going to your here and scrolling all the way down and click on the logout option. Then you're gonna use your account's credentials to log back in. If that doesn't work and the subscription is still not working, you can confirm the correct account. Make sure you're logged into the same email used for the subscription. Many issues happen because the wrong account is active. So you're gonna check the email and check the password. You can also check the payments platform. Subscriptions purchased through Apple App Store or Google Play Store may take time to sync, so wait a few minutes and reopen. You can check them by going to billing here, and here you can see all the billing informations and the accounts plan. Now, you can also update the app or browser. Outdated versions may not detect active subscriptions, so you're gonna head to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using. If you're using a mobile version, you're gonna go here and search for the Claude AI app. Once you find it, you're gonna check if an update is available. Let's go and look for the Claude AI app like this. You're gonna look for this app specifically, developed by Anthropic, and check if an update is available. And if it is, you're gonna click on the update button and wait for the update to be completed. Then reopen the app and check the subscription by clicking on billing and see the accounts plan. And you're gonna find the Pro here. And that's it. Most cloud subscription issues resolve automatically once the account refreshes, and if your payment is confirmed, access is usually restored shortly. And if you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.